Guys, today I'll be solving a past paper question for you. This is a very difficult question indeed. Alright, but it can be very straightforward also. Now, what we have is 5 bracket x plus 2 squared, and that is equal to 4 bracket x plus 3, and we have to solve for x. So we want to find the value for x. So make this equation true. Now, this part of it is squared, so we have to do the squared part first. So this is the same thing as x plus 2 times x plus 2. So we expand this bracket, the x plus 2 times x plus 2. So x times x is x squared plus 2x. 2, that is x time, and now we use 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 2 is 4. Just gonna expand this bracket also. 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 3 is 12. Now what we need to do is to basically expand this bracket now. 5 times x squared would be 5x squared. 5 times, oh, this would come to 4x, right? This is 10x plus 10x plus 14, that is equal to 4x plus 12. Put a side apart here. These are like terms, so it will be 5x squared plus 20x plus 14. No, 5 4 20. Sorry. Wrong with the Lenox. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. So it's 20. That is equal to 4x plus 12. Alright, all we need to do now is to equate this side to 0. So we're going to subtract 4x and positive 12 from both sides. So let us do that. So we're going to group the like terms. So it's 5x squared. That is the only x squared term. So we can go ahead and put the 20x. Now the other 4x. So we subtract 4x. This is 20 and this is 12, so we minus 12, and that is equal to 0. Now what this is working out to be is a quadratic, alright? So it will be 5x squared, 20 minus 4x would be plus 16x, 20 minus 12 would give us plus 8, and that is equal to 0. Now all we have to do is to solve for this. Now we cannot do the factor method because 5 8 is 40, but we cannot find two factors that can give us 16. So we have to use this formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now this was already done on my channel, so people shouldn't be opening their mouth, alright? So a is equal to the coefficient of this with 5, b is equal to 16, and c is equal to 8. So basically let's just rewrite the formula and put these in there. So negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now b is 16 plus or minus 16 squared minus a is 5, so 4 times 5. I remember, let's put this in a bracket, times c, which is 8 all over 2a, which is 2 times 5. I could tidy up now. Negative 16 plus or minus. Now we're going to square 16, so we're going to multiply 16 times 16 because that's what square means, and that works out to 256 minus 4 5 20, and 8 times 20 is 160. So this part works out to be 160 and this over 10. Now we're just going to tidy up, so it's 256 256 So it's 256 minus 160 over 10. That works out to 96 over 10. I'll find the square root of 96. So let me just do that now. Square root of 96 is 9.7. Because we're going to put it to one decimal place, so it will be 9.8. So it's minus 16 plus 9.8 all over 10. And remember, it's two solutions, right? Plus or minus. So let us do this up here. So let us do the plus first. So it's negative 16 plus 9.8 over 10. Negative 16 minus 9.8 over 10. So let us tidy up that. Negative 16 plus 9.8. Let's just speed up the thing. I'll use the calculator. So this is 6.2. Negative 6.2 divided by 10. So therefore this is equal to negative 0.62. So that's part. And now we add this because both of them are negative. So we're going to add 16 plus 9.8. Remember, when both signs are the same, we add. So that gives us 25.8. I'll keep the negative. I'll divide by 10. Now when we are dividing by 10, we can just move the decimal place one place to the left, right? So it's negative 2.58. So our two values, so x is equal to 0.62 negative, or x is equal to negative 2.58. Guys, the reason I choose this question, there's a lot of concept involved. First, you have to expand, and then there's the equation, and then also to factorize. So guys, just be mindful. CSEC can be very, very tough. I want you guys to have a happy new year. Today is New Year's Day, and continue to watch this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. More questions coming. I'm not gonna say share and like and all these things, because at the end of the day, if you find it videos helpful, you will share it automatically and like it. Alright, I'm out.